So I decided to work through a couple of journal prompts today. So these are the ones that I'm working with. How do you feel about your body today? What worries you most currently? Where am I letting myself play small? And then what would make today great? Pressure washer outside, so sorry if you can hear that. Welcome back to another vlog. It's about 10:30 on Monday, and this is actually my, well, it's a temporary office right now, but it will be my office. I just started moving in with Kevin. Very exciting. So that was kind of what we spent most of the weekend doing, just getting a bunch of my things over and trying to get like at least a little bit settled so I can have a good fresh start to the week. So we're off to a good start. I also signed up for a 30-day fitness challenge, which I wasn't really planning to, but one of the instructors there kind of was like, are you gonna do it? Like, you should put your name down. And I'm so happy that she did give me that push because it's been really, really great. 11 o'clock. I'm just about to hop on my Focus Mate session. So I do a little bit of a later one on Mondays just because Latasha and I have a 9 o'clock meeting, but definitely helps like keep the momentum going, especially on a Monday. All right, so we're at 1:11. I'm just taking a bit of a lunch break. Actually, Kevin is making lunch for me, which is very nice. So I think I'm gonna take a break, and then I also want to draft out some Instagram content. Okay, so last time I talked to you guys, or last vlog, I had taken some cool like Pinterest inspired photos. Haven't done anything with them. That is like the story of my life, just having all this content and then for whatever reason like second guessing it, and I'm like determined to get over that. So I have it on my calendar to like sit down, write a caption, like get something going up, and so I just really need to push past this freaking perfectionist bullshit. I went through my mind map daily like really like thoroughly today. I haven't been using it as much, but I want to get back on it because it really definitely does help. Kind of what I want for like my main action steps each day is to have them be like content related, and I just want to change that priority like in my head. So this is the day, and then I also have the week planned out. So even just little things like this, like film a 30-second clip for TikTok or Reels that I can do a text overlay. So that can be like just a time lapse of me working or like working out or making food, like something like that. And then I think I'm gonna do one newsletter a month now. I was finding like weekly, I wasn't enjoying it as much as I expected. Anyways, this is kind of how I'm using this, is really trying to keep myself on track. Okay, so it's like 4 hours later now, and I have not posted yet. I did end up just like working the afternoon, and but I just got overwhelmed like I always do. Like I sat down, like, hey, like just bust out a caption real quick in like a half an hour and then send it off, and I just got overwhelmed and kept overthinking it. So I'm now like finishing up my work day and now going to post it. If you overthink absolutely everything when it comes to creating, you are not alone. There we go. She's up. So a little bit of deep cleaning inspo here for you guys. The nesting continued on this night, and I got deep into a full fridge clean out, which honestly felt so good. Filled it up with really nice healthy food, and that was just the best feeling to end off my night. So one of the tips from that Instagram post that day actually was to do your skincare earlier in the night. And I swear by this, not only because I hate doing it when I'm exhausted, but I feel like I actually enjoy it more, like bringing a better energy and vibe to my skincare. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, almost 8 o'clock, and I wanted to show you this tapping video. It's been kind of my go-to in the last week or so, and it's all about the fear of being seen. And I've really been thinking about that a lot recently, and I feel like it ties into the whole like fear of judgment and fear of having to be perfect. And it's kind of this thing where like in most cases, or in a lot of cases, like more success means being more visible for myself. Like I want to grow my YouTube channel, but with that can come more criticism, right? And so it's like you want those things, but there's also a fear of being seen that's kind of like counteracting those goals. Anyways, it's just something that I've kind of been like tapping and working through because I do think it has like a lot to do with a lot of like the anxiety and pressure that I feel around creating. So just wanted to share that one. We're at 12:30 now, and I'm hitting a bit of a wall. I already had breakfast slash lunch, so it's not really time to eat, but I'm having trouble focusing. So I'm gonna make myself a matcha latte for some good sustainable positive energy. As usual, I've had some thoughts over the last couple days. I saw a quote from James Clear, and it was something, I'll pop it up on the screen, but it was something along the lines of, if you were to project forward in like a year, I think it was, and you did not achieve your goals, what would be the reason that you didn't achieve it? Which is a really good way of looking at things. And I'm interested to hear if you guys have the same experience, because for me, it was like a pretty quick and easy answer. So let me know down in the comments below, like what automatically pops up for you when you say that.